guys, it's Asheli from Cratejoy Reviews, and today we're unboxing Culture Carton. If you're not familiar with Culture Carton, my other unboxing reviews of this, I've been unboxing this for, sorry about the noise, my kids are out there playing. We're traveling for the holidays, so. I've been unboxing this one for quite a long time. This is a men's subscription box. Every standard box comes with one book and an assortment of lifestyle items for $45. I do have a 20% off coupon code for this one. It's TREE all caps, and that'll give you 20% off your first box. They do also offer just the book for $16 or just the lifestyle items for $35. I will link down below to them. I'll also link to my full review where we'll go in depth. I don't know what's in here. We're going to find out together, so let's open this baby up. All right. Right on top is an insert. This always tells you what's in there and their retail value, but we'll look at that at the end. Right after that, I see something. This is from Exploria Supply Company. This is, oh, it's a paracord bracelet. This is cool. So these, my daughter has one. She bought one at like a craft fair. Is a compact and tactical survival bracelet that comes packed with all the necessary features you need in order to survive in the wilderness. Our paracord bracelet is the ideal choice for every camping, hiking, hunting, fishing enthusiast, or simply anyone who likes going in the great outdoors and be prepared. 4-in-1 survival kit, smart, compact, portable, multifunction gadget. So there is a compass on there. I can see that right away. Just lots of little cool little, that's neat. I love it. I will wear that. All right, so this is from Benkai. I have a duffel bag from them. I have a jump rope from them. They make like sporting good gear, I guess. Don't know what this is. It's a mesh bag. Feels like oh, it's probably a resistance band. Yeah. So, oh, that's actually cool. There's 2 of them. Oh, nice. So I don't know if you know how resistance bands work. This is a heavy, this is a medium. So it's the resistance that they're actually giving you when you work out. Like say you do, you can wrap this around your legs and then you pull your legs apart, and the resistance helps you strengthen your leg muscles. So this one, I don't think that I could actually do a whole lot with this one, but they're definitely cool.
I saw a girl on TikTok do that with gymnastics, and she put her legs over her head with it.
Wow, my daughter is holding the camera and imparting her knowledge. All right, next from Benkai is another bag. This is a different bag. Oh, my face is itchy. I work out a lot, so like workout stuff is really great. I will take it. This is a fanny pack. I'll take them. I love these. These are so cool when you go somewhere and you don't want to carry a purse, but you also you wear pants that can't hold a lot of things. These are great. I know like they have a bad rap. And like this, the fact that this, the holder goes back inside, is that not the neatest thing? That's something I noticed about their other product, the duffel bag. It folded up and turned into like this little thing that you could just take with you. That duffel bag literally can go anywhere. All right, so finally is this item. It's also from Benkai, but I don't know what this, oh, I see, it's an arm. Okay, so it holds your phone, and you can put it on your arm or whatever for workouts. That's actually really cool because a lot of sweatpants, workout shorts don't have a spot to put your phone in. So this is really nice. And it kind of just, it is Velcro, but that kind of just fit my arm. That was pretty awesome. All right, so my book for this month is The Heads of Cerebus by Frances Stevens. I've never heard of this. It says, Philadelphia, 1918, 3 friends, brave, confident Viola Trenmore, clever but shy Robert Drayton, and Viola's strong and hot-tempered brother Terry discover a mysterious powder that transports them 200 years into the future. The Philadelphia of 2118 is no longer a bustling metropolis, but instead a completely isolated city recovering from an unknown disaster. Citizens are issued identification tags instead of having names, and society is split between a wealthy, powerful minority and a downtrodden lower class. The position of supreme authority is held by a woman, and once a year she oversees competitions to the death to determine, this sounds devious, who rules alongside her. When Viola, Terry, and Robert are forced to take part in these strange and deadly games, it will take their combined wits for them to escape this strange world and return home. Equal parts adventure and dystopia, The Heads of Cerebus is an unjustly forgotten work of early science fiction written by a trailblazing master of the genre. That's actually really cool. I'm excited to read that. All right, let's go over the retail values of everything. The book is $15. The running phone case is $28. It's also like really like soft. It won't irritate your arm, which is really important. The fanny pack is $24. The resistance band set is $15, and then the Paracord Survival Bracelet is $5, making this box have a total value of $87. If you're interested in checking out Culture Carton, like I said, I'll link to them down below. I will also link to my full review where we'll go in depth. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.